It's Cinamongirl.
I am still at the Treasure Island. Why did I say the Treasure Island? And this is my first bonus of the trip, which is insane. Okay, here we go. I got the, I think it's Yummy? I'm not sure. Okay, here we go. Oh, oh yes, I got Yummy. And my bag's on my thing. Okay, also Slappers broke the button, so that's nice. Here we go. I was doing 2 cents, but I switched down to 1 cent.
Order up.
Order up. Yay. Also, I'm playing with no card because I can't find my card and I can't be bothered to go get one. See, it doesn't want to spin. Come on, yay.
Order up.
Order up. It doesn't want to do it. I have to hit it.
Order up.
Order up. I have to punch the button for it to work. Oh my god, terrible. Come on. One more, come on, drop a dumpling. Yay, thank you. Oh, yeah. Come on. One more. Come on, drop a dumpling. Drop a dumpling. Drop a dumpling. Yay. Up. Yay, yay.
Order up.
I really love this game. I really wanted to play the new version of this, and I could not get on the machine at Venetia yesterday. Also, I was out of my mind drunk. Last spin, come on, one more, keep it going. No. Okay, but I will get my $20 back, and that's what I put in, so I'm okay with that. A little bit more. 25, all right, I'm cool with that. Yay! Good morning, Las Vegas. It is day 2, and we're on the move already. It is the afternoon already, and we are gonna head over to Vanderpump, and we got a really good deal on it, and very excited to stay there. Here she is. We're not dead. We are okay. She's okay. Me and we have brunch coming up too. Just waiting for our lift. Let's hope today is better for gambling. Let's go. Also, look at this guitar is fucking huge. I was amazed when I landed and I could see it from the airport. This is gonna take over the skyline, I feel. I can't wait to stay there. So I just got a new ploy of asking for money. This older man looking kind of disheveled come up to me and goes, "Oh, you're pretty, blah, blah, blah. Where are you from?" I say LA. He says, "Give me $100 bill." I'm like, "No, and I don't have it." He's like, "Get a job." What? I guess is that the new way? Let me compliment you and then insult you. Didn't work. All right, we are at our new favorite place, Carmela's, for brunch. Very excited for it, and I will show you what we get in a little bit. All right, they brought us some lovely little fruits and focaccia. We're waiting for our food. We got the same stuff as we did last time because it's delicious. Okay, so Danielle's crazy and is getting bottomless mimosas. I cannot. Jamie would approve over here. I got a Bloody Mary. This is all I'm having. I don't want to die and have to take a nap for 3 hours. Round came. We got 3 orders of the shrimp because we're not playing. We got the garlic bread. Our tuna tartare is coming. And I think I want pasta this time. I don't know. Look at this thing. It looks like a baby lobster. So good. Okay, we're over here playing the Buffalo Linkies, and I finally got a feature. I was getting spanked a little bit over here. Here we go. Come on, buffaloes. Drop them in. I need some words. Words. I never know what it means when you see a flashing buffalo right here. What does that mean? Come on! Don't let it go! Come on, one more, drop one more! Yes, thank you! Can I get a major? That'd be lovely. Okay, one more spin. Come on, drop one more in. Don't let it stop. Ooh, I saw 20. Okay. Well, I got my money back. I put 100 in, but it was actually at $77, and I hit it at 69. So hey, I'm okay with that. 91. I think I'll play to, I don't know, maybe 5 more spins. Well, I finally got my room, and this room is absolutely beautiful. It is so nice. It really is. I love what they've done. It looks so much brighter and pretty and girly, but I don't think it's overly feminine. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. I think it looks luxurious, but I know that y'all are gonna be so jealous of my view. Just so jealous. I have the armpit view, as Lala and Papa wanna call it. I can't see the flamingo and the Caesar little fountain right there, so maybe it'll be okay at night. But wow, but I'm okay with that. It's all right. Danielle actually has a better view. You can see Old Red from her room. So I am going to get myself ready, and we're going to head out, and we're going to go see Howard Jones, Wang Chung, and Soft Cell, I believe, or I forget who else, and Richard Blade. Used to have the biggest crush on Richard Blade. All right, I'm ready to go. I got on just a basic little black dress that I got, the boots, a little silver purse, same here from today. Ready to go. Let's go get Danielle. I love this room, by the way. Also love this big mirror. All right, so we're ready to go. But what we found out is that Vanderpump has a free car service that will drop you off anywhere on the strip if you're staying here. So they're giving us a ride to the Resorts World. Very exciting. Here's our car.
Using all my breath, thinking up to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always fresh at face. I'll stop the world and dance to you. You see the difference, and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and dance with you. To stay, to stay.
enough that I'm gonna have to go jerk an old man off later behind
Okay,
Resorts
that
World.
sounds like a good time.
Yeah.
$78. It's his fault. But he's cute, so it's all right.
Great salesman.
All right, so we're gonna drink these.
Everybody Wang Chung tonight. Everybody have fun tonight. Everybody have fun. I'll be with the right to my mind. I love you even if you think I don't. Sometimes I find you touch my love.
Concert I brought you to.
I don't know. Does everybody want to Wang Chung tonight?
I would like you to tell me about Richard Blade because I have history with Richard Blade. Hey, Richard Blade. Always. She's gonna Wang Chung tonight, and I'm gonna think about Richard Blade. Now we're gonna go. We're gonna see if we can see some band members in the casino.
I would like the drummer.
She wants a drummer. We're gonna try to work on that. We're gonna get some drinkies. We're gonna try to win some monies. I hear there's a 50+ card here. I gotta find out about that because I'm old as fuck. How long is it till my birthday? I feel like it's an hour and a half.
Yeah, it's for an hour and a half.
Hour and a half till I'm old as dirt. Yes! Also,
60.
I'm 57! 57! 57!
Only 10 years, 1 month and 2 days older than I am.
Yes. Also, when I turn 60, I would like an 80s prom in Vegas. So, Danielle, you need to talk to my children. We can make it happen. I want us to wear ridiculous 80s dresses. We have decided that we are doing In-N-Out for our late night dinner. I literally have not had In-N-Out in probably 6 months, even though I work in the same shopping center as an In-N-Out. It just tastes better and different in Vegas. So she got animal style, I got regular old hamburger. It's a fries. I am playing Ultimate Fast Cash at Flamingo. I've never played this before. I got the bonus. Let's see what she gives me. Here we go. the coins? I'm not sure though. That's not great. $9.70. All right, I think. Yeah, that's not the best. But okay. Alright, I am over here playing piggy breaking, and I got the instant win. Let's go. Come on, piggies. Come on, drop the pigs. There we go. Oh, nice. Alright, I just need some more piggies right there and there. Woo, there you go. Okay, one more spin. Come on. Drop one more pig. One more pig? Nope. Okay. Minor. Oh, that's poopy. That's not great. It's okay, but it's not great. Them piggies did me dirty. Well, I am ending my night. I am back in the room. Danielle and I have parted ways. I'm sitting on my couch. Hair in a bun. She just walked by my room because we're on the same floor and said, "Caca!" Because that's our, our call. We're crows. I don't know what we are. Today was really fun, and I wish that I was at this level of drunk yesterday and not how I was. That was a hot mess. I had such a great time. Danielle won so much money at Flamingo. Me, not so good. I just not doing well. But she won a bunch of money, and I'm so happy for her. And it is almost 1 a.m. and it's officially my birthday. Woohoo! And I am officially old. I am 57. Even though some people want to say I'm 60. I'm not 60 yet. But, I'm feeling great. I'm happy I'm here. And I had a great day. So I look forward to tomorrow. And I will see you then. I am going to lay on my nice, big, huge bed and watch Friends on TV. And I will see you in the morning. And until next time.